Please check whether the door openers on both sides can be used normally before use. Pull up the handle. Kneading the mold to make the molding a close-up. Press the mold into the V-block. Take out the black mold. Rotate the center seam adjusting board. Adjust the seam to 1/3 of the wire diameter. Tighten the screws. Open the door opener and put in the copper wire. The end of the thread can be at the center of the vertical seam. Press the handle firmly to the bottom end. Lift the handle and take out the copper wire.